Hello there. Today's book is Bee-bim Bop by Linda Sue Park, illustrated by Ho-Beck Lee. Let's get started. Almost time for supper, rushing to the store. Mama buys the groceries, more mama more. Hurry mama hurry, gotta shop shop shop. Hungry hungry hungry, for some bee-bim bop. Home and in the kitchen, eggs to stir and fry. Mama, catch the spatula, flip the eggs high. Hurry mama hurry, gotta flip flip flop. Hungry hungry hungry, for some bee-bim bop. Rice is on the boil, bubbling in the pot. White and sticky lickety, steaming good and hot. Hurry, flurry rice, gotta pop pop pop. Hungry hungry hungry, for some bee-bim bop. Mama's knife is shiny, slicing fast and neat. Garlic and green onions, skinny strips of meat. Hurry mama hurry, gotta chop chop chop. Hungry very hungry, for some bee-bim bop. Spinach, sprouts and carrots, each goes in a pan. Let me pour the water in, yes I know I can. Sorry mama sorry, gotta mop mop mop. Hungry in a hurry, for some bee-bim bop. Bowls go on the table, big ones striped in blue. I help set the glasses out, spoons and chopsticks too. Hurry family hurry, gotta hop hop hop. Dinner's on the table, and it's bee-bim bop. Quiet for a moment, Papa says the grace. Everybody says amen, a smile on every face. Rice goes in the middle. Egg goes right on top. Mix it. Mix like crazy. Time for Bee-bim Bop. Woohoo! And that is the end of the story. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.